on the MSI laptop to your old laptop and then use it as a streaming PC.
You're correct. Also, fair warning, I have started streaming. Oh, I made it unlisted. That's right. Should I make it public? I was thinking I
Did
kind of
not.
want to.
The link. Now I need to go find at Chainsword
No,
CS's account.
I got a link. I got a link. Don't you don't even worry about it. Gaming. All right.
Glad you label these as boring.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, I mean it is. No, I don't want someone to come in and get the wrong idea and think it's not gonna be boring as hell.
Same year as 9/11.
Hmm?
Doesn't matter. It was a really stupid joke.
Real.
Purposely stupid. Anyway. Wait, does the game... does Choki Stream even receive 30 or 60 FPS from Virtual Console games?
It can, very rarely. I think...
See, you've included the FPS count for me.
Well, yeah, that's to explain how choppy it is, but also, like, I mean, everything else, you know. I mean, you already know. I don't care enough to explain it to any prospective viewers, though, but that's okay.
Nice.
Let's see. Okay, first things first, I like to, okay. This is gonna be a whole thing. Alright, now I gotta wait. Yeah, I'll let Choki Stream keep, or sorry, Churnomod keep streaming this. Just give it a minute. Very stupid. I haven't done, actually, I did do a public live stream, come to think of it. That was not that long ago. It was 123 days ago. That's good.
Really recent.
Your mic is like very selectively picking you up still.
I'm background noise according to either Intel Audio or Microsoft Windows.
Oh, were you gonna go look for the setting I told you about?
No.
Okay. That's fair.
Too lazy.
I would be the exact same. So, there you have it, folks. The lowest quality audio imaginable. That was June 1st that I streamed last. Anyway, dumb, stupid things, extremely boring. Live stream. Actually, I looked in the video, or in the YouTube analytics for my last stream. It showed like apparently the video or the VOD or something got 10 views in total, which is surprising, but also it shows like a subscriber increase or decrease count, and it was -1. That video lost me 1 subscriber.
You just popped the cringe. You're going to lose subscriber.
That's true, man. See, I peaked years ago. It's all downhill from here. It's all downhill in subscriber count and also just stuff in general. But all right. get brief glimpses of high frame rate there. And immediately back down to whatever when it's more visually complex. But I forgot. I was thinking of that green glitchy bit of hiding that. Maybe I don't care. I'll just leave it. It doesn't matter.
He's gonna hide the mistakes.
It's not a mistake. I've tried fixing it. I haven't successfully fixed it yet.
You know, is there anything ever out there anyway? Like, if there's nothing to capture, you can cheat and have it return blank data for that segment.
That's true. I don't even know what you're saying, but don't explain it to me.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I know what you're saying, but I'm too lazy to interpret it properly. Okay, the other day I had something interesting. Let me lower game volume a little. The other day I had something interesting happen to me in this video game. Okay, I do that. Do I do anything else? Do I do it 3 times? I can certainly try. Actually, I think I didn't want to do it 3 times. Now that I think about it. It doesn't matter though. But anyway. Actually, what are the odds that what are the odds that one of these was a bicycle? Nuts. Crashed already. We're off to the races. Or I think that's a soft lock, not a crash proper. I don't like have to set the time correctly every time. It's not like it matters. Where was it? This position? I guess it doesn't matter. Or wait, what position? Right here. Okay. Where did I save? Maybe I saved like here that one time. Alright, we're gonna do some very special things, which that's it's not nearly as interesting as it sounds as usual. Or I mean I put boring in the title, but it's somehow even more boring than that. Let's go. Record-breaking levels of boredom. Oh, I got a very fun effect from that where the game crashed. Don't worry about the colors. They're normal. This is actually like, I mean, it's not normal, but it's like not super abnormal. Wow, that's consistent. Oh, I was thinking, at one point I was thinking I should, really try this in, like, BGB so I can do proper debugging, because I can't, basically, I can barely debug at all, because I'm obviously playing this on a real 3DS. But...
This include debugger support.
Hypothetically, I might be able to do something, but... like, okay. Nope. But I, like, right here, because it doesn't crash and reset to a glitch dimension. Don't worry about what that is, by the way. It's not important. It doesn't crash and reset to a glitch dimension until I press, like, A or B. So I think I might be in like an invisible dialogue box, and I'm like I don't I must have like half crashed into some kind of infinite loop. Pressed A. Yeah. So I can just wait an indefinite amount of time and then crash the game whenever. Good. Yeah. Was it here or was it one step lower? Was this bicycle? Yes, it was. And that is wrong. Or not wrong. That is the thing in the thumbnail for this stream. Whoa, what? I forget what the message said. It was, Wrong Pocket HM07 has an interesting effect where it does a certain corruption with, like, it corrupts the stack of, like, the stack, I was gonna say not a literal stack. It is kind of a literal stack. It's just not, like, the game has the main stack, obviously, but like, the text box engine has its own stack type of thing going on. Wrong Pocket HM07 corrupts that. And then interesting things happen. Yeah. Oh, maybe it was this. No, nothing interesting. Also, the effect is not consistent exactly. Like, it depends on hardware timing things. I don't remember why. But there's a reason. I think that... Oh, that's just a regular... I mean, the music's still playing, so it's a soft lock, but... Okay. Or... maybe that... Actually, hold on. Okay, I can... And in that scenario, I can press A, B, start, and select to soft reset. But... Anyway, hi Josh, how are you? Hi Josh, your mic's not picking you up.
No.
Your mic is still not really picking you up. You should maybe try looking for that Windows setting. Or the device options. I mean, it's not that critical, but... Reset.
It's that critical.
I always love how Windows, and I mean, any other operating system too, but Windows in specific always has some weird configuration by default. I mean, I don't know. Like, but like,
Yeah.
soft lock, and I can't soft reset. What was I gonna say? I mean, we are in the modern era. Windows doesn't need to do its own system level noise cancellation on microphones. Like, every, like, online voice call application software has its own noise cancellation built in as a feature. Nice. That's one cool thing that can happen. Oh yeah, don't worry about this either. This is normal. I mean, it's not really normal, but... Oh, oops. I accidentally shut off Torino mod. Well, I was just going to reset the game anyway, so give me a sec.
E.
Yo, what up? Different microphone.
No, it's not.
Oh, I
It's the
see.
same one. I just turned off all the things.
You should go in Discord settings and turn on echo cancellation. Yeah.
I did.
Okay. Cool. Nice. You found it.
Sure. I mean, I knew where it was.
Oh,
I just
okay.
didn't want it to be on.
No, that's fair. Well, I knew where it was, I just didn't want to do it.
Me when I'm lazy.
Yeah. Let he who is not lazy cast the first stone. Monday, 11:40. That's not right.
Yeah, it's Thursday. What are you, stupid?
Yes.
Nice.
I had an interesting effect the other day. I kind of wanted to try and recreate it, but I don't know. I don't want to sync because I already actually after it and I got it on video, by the way, of course, because I'm a weird nerd. But after that, I spent like the next hour trying to recreate it and couldn't get it exactly to happen again. So that's cool. Very good. Oh, do you like my what is this? Oh, it's a Zatu. I forgot about that. My Zatu named Benadryl. What place has good music? I don't know if it's Cianwood or Chianwood. Doesn't matter. The answer is this town.
That one.
Nice. That's the text box crash that does the thing where it waits to crash until I press a button. Very cool.
It's the crash confirmation. It's like, are you sure?
Except it's like a yes text box. Oh, this time I didn't get it. This time I full on crashed. Nice. Very cool. Time not set. By the way, every time it shows like a time not set message when I go to load my save file, that's caused by data corruption. Very cool. I don't remember. It's some SRAM bank thing. It's not important. But I think it can't I think it can't, or at least most of the time can't touch my actual like the bulk of my save data, but it can throw off the time, and often does. Which is funny. No, I don't want to listen to this song on the radio. That sucks.
I think they should have made the ROM rewritable, like on
Yeah,
Pokemon. That way they could like update the game later with like distribution and stuff.
you're right. Hang. Oh, I was able to soft reset that time, I think. Yeah, I think that went through. Here, let me try going in front of the gym. That was another crash confirmation text box. That's definitely going to be a misnomer, but whatever. Nice. That's some good graphics. That is no... I think that says no, like, no message boxes available for popping, which is I mean, that's related to the message box stack corruption. Oh yeah. Somehow I forgot. I always forget. So I use it once. Now I press B and basically always get a game crash. It's I think it's kind of a game crash related to trying to display the start menu. Actually, hold on. Menu account off. So that might change things a little. I forgot that was a thing I could do. Still crash the same way though. Oh, but something I like came up with the other day is if you can maybe nice. What was I gonna say? Like, basically, if I can do, like, some nice amount of corruption, not like that, that was a crash, or soft lock. If I can do, like, a good amount of corruption and then, or, like, I should say a significant amount, an interesting amount of corruption, like general memory corruption, and then escape back into the overworld without having to go back to the start menu, then that would be good, because then because when I go from the bag back to the start menu, it crashes basically without fail. But one way I can do that is to get on or off the bicycle, where it goes like that, where I bypass the start menu in the situation. And so what I got to happen one time was I did like 2 HM07 corruptions and then got on the bicycle successfully, and I like looked around to examine corruption, and there was a map corruption, which is kind of neat. And that's it. It doesn't get more interesting. Okay, don't do that, I guess. Crash, or soft lock. Can't soft reset out of it. Oh well. I don't know if CN Wood City is optimal for this. I mean, it doesn't matter, but... Oh, oh, you know what? Hold on, let me try and soft reset. Nope, that's a full-on crash. That's an interesting crash. Um, I was te I was doing like most of my testing in Goldenrod City, and uh, a lot of times when I did that and I used HM07 once and then escaped with the bicycle, there were like what just happened. Like there's no interesting corruption here, at least none that I can see. Maybe I'm not being observant enough. That is entirely possible, but I don't remember where it starts corrupting actually. Maybe it is just around the around like the map tiles. But like, yeah, there's no interesting corruption that happened there. Whoops. Gotta go all the way back up. Nice, consistent. Hi, Josh.
Hi, Cameron.
Oh, I was just, I was drinking water, actually, come to think of it. I wanna crack open a can of Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. However that guy's accent is.
The drinking fella.
Me when I change variables. Me when I change multiple variables at once. Let's go. Ooh, bro, bro, bro,
What?
bro, bro. That's a new effect, baby. That I haven't gotten this before. Nice. That might be consistent too. You know what's an interesting question is, okay, that's a to the left, because I'm in the well, it doesn't matter if I'm in the overworld, but when I went to the left too far, like past the boundaries of the map, that the game tries to take me through the what is that, Western map connection, and in this case, it's some glitch map, I don't remember. But you know, interesting new stuff with oh, oops, don't do that because it crashes. Stupid. And because it's not visually clear, what I do there is I accidentally press A on something and then I pressed B to back out of the menu. But to back out of the yes no dialogue, or it wasn't a yes no, it was a use move quit dialogue, I think. Back out of that. Yeah, use sell, which is select quit. Nice, that is consistent. But anyway. And also after this, I can just open the start menu again. It's just not a problem. I think that's a normal map. Okay. That's back to the normal Cianwood City. That's the normal, that route to the east side. So. You don't have surf. You have surf. What do you mean you can't surf here?
You can't surf here.
Yes, I can surf here, dude. I don't know why it's saying that. Oh, there you go. Might as well just... Yeah. Well, I guess I'm over here anyway. Might as well, Oh, you know what? I could test and see what happens if I use an escape rope. That would be interesting. I would have to go buy one, though. Yeah, I would have to go buy one. I'll just try using HM07 once in here. Actually, if there is any map corruption, I'm not going to be able to see it. Because, you know, it's dark. Oh, well, I do have flash. True. Real. Doesn't look like I got anything interesting. Nothing interesting. Yeah, it's hard to find anything interesting with this because I'm kind of like flying in the dark here. Nice. That's good. Game crash. But, you know, if you like that sweet, sweet ASMR of person playing video games wrong, then I've got content. Nice. Yeah. Anything interesting? No. Oh, I could try right here. Yeah. Anything interesting? No. Still nothing interesting. I don't think I've tried this tile yet. Yeah, and what happens is dependent on, I think it's just like nearby overworld tile data, I think. It's weird. But anyways.
That's just a theory.
I never looked far enough. I never investigated deeply enough to say what exactly corrupts what. Mostly because that quickly turns into a problem of what is it? Like n sodding terrible complexity or something? I don't remember.
Are you saying n is terrible complexity?
No.
Because n's like not bad.
Or it's like n of something. where it's like in parentheses or whatever.
Like the worst complexity would be like
Yeah.
an exponential, or like
Yeah.
something higher than n. N just means that you have to like go through every item in the list.
I'm not supposed to be down here. Oh, that's, no. Very sad. Yeah. It's really not gonna let me surf? Alright, whatever. Oh, nothing interesting. Oh well. That's the classic. I could try it right here. Nope. I could try it up here, actually. Ooh. That's an interesting crash. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, like, it was because of the way that it corrupts the stack, and like there's so many ways you can manipulate that, and so many different, like, it like, and like the effects are dependent on like external variables, aka current overworld map tiles, and so there's so much, like, there are way too many variables to account for, you know? Yeah. And, like, I mean, it would be simple enough, or it would be simpler if you, like, just said, like, hey, there's, like, one specific, like, say there's one specific target byte that you want to change to a specific value, then you might be able to reason that out and use deductive reasoning to find like a setup. But trying to get like a good like overarching understanding of the mechanics is borderline a lost cause due to the sheer complexity. And that's why I'm doing just straight empirical testing rather than trying to dive into assembly like I sometimes do. And diving into assembly is really fun, but it doesn't make sense here.
No, No, you gotta whip out the memory inspector and
I gotta
look at
whip it out.
the current like CPU register values and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well, the nice thing about these games having...
Hello?
Oh god, he's here.
My audio is not working.
I can hear you.
Really quietly though.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah?
A bit better.
No. Oh, I was moving the wrong microphone. That would not help. Oh, that one's not plugged in.
Bro's got multiple mics.
It's crazy.
Funny thing happening right now.
Go audio file out.
Funny thing happening on stream right now is the screen is just white. That's not a capture issue. That's just... I got a glitch dimension where the entire screen has a color palette applied to it that just has all colors, like all 4 Game Boy colors set to white.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. That was weird. It was playing audio of you talking while you were deafened, or while I was deafened.
Nice. Were you listening to or watching the live stream with audio on?
No?
Oh, nice.
And I only played like a second.
Then Discord is dumb lol.
Surprising nobody.
Do we have Okay, yeah, we do have voice on the live stream then.
Yes. I wish I could get up there, dude.
I'm so concerned about the fact that the .NET Core SDK cannot be located in my Node.js project.
I'm more concerned that you're using the .NET SDK in your Node.js project.
I'm not. This is a classic VS Code extensions being enabled at all times moment. I have a different friend that rants to me a lot about VS Code extensions, and I kind of agree. Like, they're exceptionally bad at times. Like, the C# language pack extension has no business automatically activating itself in a JavaScript project. Good things happening here. Very cool. Very cool.
It's not Monday, I told you.
That's so true.
It's the realest thing you've ever said, Cameron.
It's up there. You can't get off here. I haven't gotten that message before. Oh, buddy, I can't soft reset from this. I'm proper... yeah, soft locked. Game soft locked itself or something. Good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Econ refused.
Oh, Ethan, I still have your Growlithe that you traded to me.
Oh, the Growlithe. Nice.
I haven't really played this save file in a while in terms of making actual story progress, but
yeah, I haven't played my save file in a while either. possibly since we traded, or like,
Yeah,
that week or something.
so it goes. Oh,
Yeah,
you'll be excited to see I have Benadryl the Zatu.
great.
Yeah.
Does it know sleep or something
I
to that nature?
don't. I think I named it that because it's like it's like it's like a psychic thing. It's a psychic Pokemon and like I don't know, can make you like I wonder if a psychic Pokemon could do that, like make a human brain like simulate like a drug trip. That's the drug trip thing is definitely what I was going for, and that Benadryl is connected to that because I don't
Because all of Cameron's best trips have been on Benadryl.
I don't think I've ever taken Benadryl even for its intended purpose, much let alone not for a drug trip. I've heard you shouldn't take like NyQuil or Benadryl, like do drug trips with them because they're like, what is it? I forget the word. It's the kind of drug that's like very like hallucinatory.
Could be.
I've never used it,
But-
so I don't know.
but-
I don't know that I have either.
But that would like some people have like nightmare stories of taking like one Benadryl or one NyQuil to treat their cold or whatever, and they like get a little like maybe they I don't know, maybe they take it during the school day or right before going to school, and they get like tired and they like start seeing spiders like where there aren't really spiders and stuff like that. Not great. I think I think the word I'm
No.
thinking of is just hallucinogenic.
Yeah. Probably.
But I mean, you do whatever, I guess, on drugs, but you have to be real careful with hallucinogenic drugs
Yeah.
because, when you're, especially considering if someone's using like NyQuil or Benadryl for a drug trip, they're not like, they don't have like a friend over to make sure that they don't have like the worst 6 hours of their life,
Yeah.
But, or so I've heard. I don't, real talk, I don't actually have any experience myself with drugs, but
I'm shocked.
Wait, really?
very shocking. The Cameron who isn't really interested in drinking also isn't really interested in recreational drugs. Go figure.
I had no idea.
I might as well reset.
Why is my client ID and client secret the same? That's not supposed to happen.
It's not the fences or the grass, is it? Is it the top of the building? Don't know. No. I assume you haven't been watching up to the point, like, until you got here, Ethan?
No. I was not.
Yeah.
I was in a fire drill.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I didn't know that the school taught you how to start fires.
Yeah.
Based? Yeah, the liberal Joe Biden wants them not to teach you how to start fires in school.
When are they adding Arson Academy to Fortnite?
Sorry, I've never heard of that.
You know, they should add Arson Academy to Fortnite.
No, what's Fortnite?
Oh,
God.
it's a period of 14 days.
Oh, neato. This is the good timeline.
Weird. Oh. Oh, that's set to... Oh, whatever.
Ethan, do you want my Tumblr application client ID?
Why do you have a Tumblr application client ID?
There you go. because Cameron mentioned something in passing the last time he was over, and now I'm doing it.
Nice.
You
Is
want
it
another way?
syncing sync blog post to Tumblr?
No. It's an entirely different application, which is to periodically steal his Tumblr posts and archive them for eternity.
Nice.
Oh, I didn't get any interesting effect that time.
The redirect URI is missing or does not match. I didn't know we needed that.
Imagine requiring a redirect URI.
No. When I
Unironically very annoying.
Yeah, when I go like turn the access code in to go get a like credentials, I apparently need to also pass along the redirect URI that was originally specified. Like, who cares? I have the code at this point, right? So what does it matter?
Good one.
Well, that's inconvenient. I guess for the sake of testing, I'm going to remove the production redirect URL and just leave the testing one.
Nothing interesting that time either. Lots of not very interesting this stream, as is implied by the title.
Boring?
Yes.
No, HM07 is the most uninteresting HM.
That's true. It is like, I think it's like, I don't remember, I think it might be aquatic charge attack. I think that's waterfall in this gen.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's waterfall.
Which is kind of not a very interesting HM, so.
Yeah.
Or HM move. Yeah.
Nah, nothing interesting there. Did I already test this tile? Maybe. Doesn't matter. Nice. RST-38 crash. Classic. Classic.
Classic.
Classic Fosker. That was a bad impression.
You should feel sad.
You're right. Let's go. Hype. RST-38 mentioned. Oh, I didn't finish what I was saying earlier with the BGB debugging. I was talking to Josh about it. The great thing about these games being fully decompiled and having like a vast majority of the code documented in some capacity. Like basically every function is named. You can get a symbol map for debugging. A symbol map for like the retail ROM. Oh, can I soft reset from this? No, I can't. So I can go into debugging and see where the program counter is like currently, like what line of assembly is being run, and see what what function it's in, what variables are being used by that function, and look at the disassembly, and it's all very cool. It's very handy. So it's not purely diving into the assembly code, because I do have a nice symbol map from the decomp to guide me. But as I said to Josh, this specific wrong pocket TM effect is too, like, it branches out in complexity like a lot. And I'm like a nerd for reverse engineering these glitch effects, but even I said, like, I don't think it's worth trying to reason about it by staring at assembly for, you know, a combined 40 hours, and I think I'd be better off just sticking to empirical testing. It's probably marginally more fun anyway. Well, maybe. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Who could have guessed? Oh, I forgot. I was going to get a escape rope. I have to find a place that sells escape ropes. Hi, Ethan.
Hi. I think I'm about to go get a shower, so
Bye, Ethan.
I will
Bye, Ethan.
head out momentarily.
Bye, future Ethan.
Yeah, when I said about to, I mean like within the next 5 minutes, not,
Immediately. No, I know.
I can't believe Ethan left so quickly.
I can still hear his voice.
That was really fast.
Oh, nice. Well, I should try this in Violet City anyway, but...
This is the time, I swear. It's really gonna do it this time.
I'm not trying to get, like, any specific thing to happen. I'm just waiting to see if anything interesting happens, which I have had some interesting things happen. So that's good. Let me fix the colors. It's gonna be interesting for real this time. This time, it's really gonna be interesting. Get off the bicycle here. Let me save not on the bicycle. By the way, unrelated to the glitching activity, well, not really. This use case, recording Pokemon games on 3DS Virtual Console, specifically in such a way that the Pokemon, like the pixels on the screen are not, I mean, they're not affected by JPEG compression, which is nice, but also there's no, like, I mean, like, NTR doesn't have an option to not do, like, quarter resolution chroma, which makes this game look just awful. So this was actually one of the use cases that was my primary motivation for continuing HZMod in the first place. Fun factoid for you there.
Nice.
Very good and cool. Game crash.
Imagine crashing the game.
Because it's weird. In the world of Pokemon Gen 1 and 2 glitches, the 3DS Virtual Console versions have some special, like, emulation inaccuracies that in very rare cases introduce some, like, version-specific quirks. Oh, I can't press A to get out of this text box, so you just get to see this. That's good. Make this a wallpaper.
It might be better than my Razels one.
Razels in 4K. I don't think the wallpaper's 4K.
I made it at a bunch of different resolutions. I might have made it in 4K.
That's a soft lock. That's a full-on soft. I can't soft reset from that. Nice.
Razels background. Yep, I have 4K. I also have 16 by 10 4K.
Nice. Huh. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I actually can, I can exit out of that text box. Or that message box. Same thing.
I'm gonna do a Rubik's Cube solve, and then get the shower.
That was a slightly different effect. It was still an RST-38 crash in the end, but I won't go into detail on what an RST-38 crash is. That's outside the scope of this live stream. But I can share some very interesting videos if anyone is curious, which either of you may or may not be. Is it?
You gotta show us, man.
It can't possibly be dependent on my facing direction, right? No, I don't think so.
Well, that was an okay time. Definitely not my best, but sub 1 minute, so I'll take it. Alright. See you guys in a bit.
Bye, Ethan. Alright, this time I'm gonna try using HM07 and then using the escape rope. Actually, it occurs to me that using the escape rope, you leave the map that you're on. That might limit the potential interestingness of the effects. That was a unavoidable crash into a glitch dimension. I'm soft locked. I can't soft reset either. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a gamer.
That's true. It's so real.
Yeah, I'm a gamer. That's what they say about me.
Crash. Move my mic a little. Oh boy, the time corrupted. Hey, it's
Surprising
not
no one.
Friday yet. Oh, dang it. Because that's what happens when my stupid cursor disappears. Here, I'm gonna save, again here. So I can have the time fixed. Okay. Press down, press up. This is escape rope. Press A again to use it. I think I crashed. That's fine. Not interesting. Good one. Soft lock, I can't soft reset that. Looks like escape rope is not going to be very interesting. That's good. I haven't been to Olivine City yet. Yippee. Right, Josh?
Right, Cameron?
Yeah.
Left, Cameron?
Yeah. Not interesting. Too interesting caused a game crash. Unfortunate. Nothing. Still nothing? Crash. That's a white screen glitch dimension. That's good. I don't think I tested this tile yet. Nice. Classic RST38 crash. Good stuff. Yeah, so empirical testing of glitches is sometimes a lot of this. Good times. And it's kind of fun. Sometimes it gets to be excruciatingly boring, though, as one would expect. Hence the stream title. That's how you rake in the viewers. You tell them up front that they're in for a bad time. Oh, that's a fun glitch. That's actually a cool glitch to mention. I'll let the Oh wait. I don't. Okay, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. One step downwards. Bag. Use HM07. Go right. Go right. Down twice. Use the bike. Nice. Very cool.
They're gonna start using this video or this live stream in CIA torture sessions.
That's true. That's real. We're collaborating.
Cameron famously loves the CIA.
No fun glitch effect there. Also, do you like how I have the like menus layout memorized?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've played this game too much, I think. Actually, who am I kidding? I don't think that it's too much. I think it's not enough, obviously, which is why I'm still doing it. Nice, nice map corruption there. Very interesting. Yep. Can't surf.
I hear you like map corruptions.
Did it change? No, it didn't change the time. I think I tested this tile already. Yes, I did. That's what did that. Actually, I'll just soft reset. I think this doesn't have an interesting effect. Nope. What about this tile, then? Very cool crash. And by very cool, I mean very boring. Are you having fun yet? 'Cause I know I am. Ah, soft lock. Very... I mean, it's not that unfortunate. I think I tried this tile already. I'm pretty sure I did. I might as well try it again, though. Here, I'll give this tile a try, too. So I'm not sure... I need to look back into... I really do, actually, need to look into that again with a debugger. To analyze the, like, because, okay. I might have explained this to you at some point, I don't remember if I ever did, but, wrong pocket HM07, so, the TMs and HMs are only supposed to be in the TM-HM pocket, where I think the deal is they all have predetermined, I think probably the way the code works, they all have predetermined thing that happens when you try and use the item that's specific to that pocket. So when you use, for example, like arbitrary code execution or some kind of inventory corruption to get a TM or HM in a different pocket, like items or balls or key items, then the effect pointer is like not. It's not like it's pointing to something that may or may not be code and definitely is not intended to happen when you use it. So it's just running like, I mean, it's a predetermined offset based on the ROM data. So like that's why HM07 wrong pocket HM07 has a consistent effect, basically. But it is, I mean, it is like running some random block of code in the ROM. And what I can do is go in with a debugger and find the code that it's running and trace that and see what I can analyze about that. You can't get off here. Because I don't remember what was it? I don't remember where, yeah, I don't remember what data it takes from the, actually, I did look into that a little bit, and I didn't get to the bottom of it, though. Because the map tile, on-screen map tile data is a whole other system that I don't know enough about how it works to fully, completely analyze that part, but I would probably want to get some hint about where exactly on screen, more or less, that it takes data from for the corruption that happens. Because the corruption is dependent on, and the exact effects are dependent on current on-screen map tiles. And map tiles specifically. And it's not based on, like, the way they're loaded in. It is based on, it is, like, relative to, like, what position they're displayed on the screen, so it... Never mind. Details.
Details.
But it is interesting. Ooh. Aw. Oh, that was almost sick. I can try this. Oh, right, that I can't do that because that does the, there are no text boxes available for popping. Very sad. Oh, I can soft reset from that. Oh, I don't care. It's also worth noting, I think this is a position that does an interesting effect when you just do the one corruption. Yeah, that does some map corruption, so I'll just soft reset. I can show real quick, actually, when you do it more than once, it causes, like, additional corruption? Well, I would be able to show it if the game didn't crash when I tried, but, you know. Well, there's an example, I suppose, but I'm not sure what controls that either. I haven't gotten this kind of crash before. Weird.
Bizarre, even.
Yeah. I'm hoping to be able to show you a little bit. There you go. Like, I mean, well, you've already seen this crash where, or not crash, this corruption where it corrupts it corrupts parts of VRAM which involve text characters. There we go. Glitch text box. And then my inventory has been completely corrupted. So there's been some like massive amount of data corruption that is like, you know, borders on completely unpredictable at that point. Because it's so many layers deep in, like, you know, but yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of interesting stuff for me to do once I am in that state. Or once I've corrupted a few times. Or, yeah, because I don't have the, weird. Because after, whatever. It corrupted my time. Nice. Or it just set it to, like, invalid, or it set, I think it probably flipped a bit that was a flag that says it's invalid or something. Doesn't matter. But
No, dude, it matters. Like a lot.
there are interesting effects that happen with like sometimes depending on like what what you do in the item or in the bag, like in terms of what submenus you enter and whatnot. Which is to say, basically just what items you press A on. But I'm just gonna get a corruption again, I think. Yeah. So you can get something that looks like this. That's
the playable
cool.
game where it's mostly all blue. That's how I remember Pokemon looking as a kid.
This is nostalgic. It is not Saturday. But yeah, I mean, there's not a ton of interesting stuff about it other than just go try things and see what happens, I guess, which is fair, but I haven't gone to Mahogany Town yet. Oh, I haven't gone to Azalea Town. I'll do that next, I guess. Nice. This is a classic. And that's a full-on, I mean, that's like a soft lock or whatever, but... Hooray, yippee. Yip. Just like Pikachu says in Pokemon Sword version and Pokemon Shield version for the Nintendo Switch family of systems.
That's exactly how I remember it.
Did you hear they're re-releasing Odyssey, but they're porting it to Switch this time? It's crazy.
Odyssey?
They're releasing
Kind of
Mario Kart
Odyssey
8
on Switch.
Deluxe Deluxe for the Switch 2.
That is something they would do.
They're doing it.
It's what the sources say.
The sources is I made it up.
Sources, trustworthy sources like Hard Drive magazine.
No, the Odyssey on the Switch one actually was an Onion article. Or maybe it was Harder Drive.
It's just hard drive.
Yeah, I think just hard. Whatever.
Harder Drive is like a Tom 7 kind of deal.
That's a Tom 7 YouTube video. Tom 7 aka Sucker Pinch. The video is like 50-some minutes in length. I've watched it several times. Yippee.
It is Hard Drive, yeah. Running out of Wii U titles, Nintendo announces Switch port of Super Mario Odyssey.
I instantly regret using any kind of ORM because this is really bizarre. If you name the column in the object model in your like JavaScript stuff in like camel case, then it's going to use I forget the model where it's like got the underscores and like no uppercases and all that.
I don't know what that's called.
Let me check. Or sorry.
Programmer case, perhaps?
Snake case. Oh yeah, programmer case sounds right. No. It doesn't matter. The thing with the underscores. Then it's going to
Pascal case, is that?
I thought Pascal case
is, yeah. Maybe
where it
just
starts.
snake case.
It doesn't
But
matter.
I think there's whatever.
It matters.
If you name it camel case in the object in JavaScript, it's going to reference the column in the database with the underscored version. And if you name it with the underscored version in JavaScript, it's going to reference it as the camel case version. You have to like explicitly override that.
What library is this?
This is the most popular JavaScript ORM of all time, type ORM.
Good one.
That's what tile I was standing on. Okay. Not this one, I'm aware. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like something should be happening.
Bro's a feeler.
Soft reset. Bro is a feeler, that's true. I have feelers like a sea anemone. It's so stupid. See, this is why no one's watching the stream. I blame Josh for his bad jokes, and they could never compare to my vastly superior style of humor.
Cameron, I only exist to embarrass you on live streams.
That's a... I don't
You're
mean
no-
this as an insult, but that is a pathetic existence.
You're gonna go edit the stream VOD and remove all of my audio. So
Yeah,
you don't have to
say-
pretend you associate with me publicly.
Say, your purpose is to make me, of all people, feel embarrassed on live stream? I'm like the least important person you could do that to.
Yo, I just got a refresh token. Get dumped on.
Now this is epic.
Get token dumped on.
Hey Ethan, do you want my Tumblr refresh token?
I can't wait to do nefarious things with it.
Ugh. Okay. What happens if I use HM07 right here? Nothing. Now what happens if I use it here? A different kind of nothing. Ooh, Ethan, do you want my stream key?
Why is everyone offering me their secrets all of a sudden?
I offered you a public earlier, and you turned it down.
I feel like the XKCD is like, please stop sending us your private information.
Please stop sending me your xkcd.com session ID. Or session
Does it-
key or whatever.
Does XKCD actually set cookies?
I doubt it.
No, it doesn't.
Let's find
There's
out.
no reason it should.
Soft lock. That's a soft lock, but that's kind of an interesting little map
Yeah, no
corruption.
cookies. No local storage or anything either.
He didn't get sneaky and use local storage to get around the cookie banner.
Josh, you should do that. I'm sure it's very dubiously legal.
I'm actually pretty sure the law says that even if you use local storage or session storage, you still need the banner.
Yeah.
They just use the term cookies because that's what everyone's familiar with.
Yeah.
Vaguely. But I'm looking to fight the EU anyway, so I'm gonna fight them over semantics. Tumblr does not tell me how long refresh tokens live for. I guess it shouldn't really matter, considering I'm gonna be polling Cameron's blog like once every hour, and that's more than enough time to get a new refresh token.
You know, I'm sorry, unrelated to what you just said. I'm pretty sure that some some part of the memory corruption is setting my text speed back to default, which is mid rather than fast. That makes me sad.
Glitches are against you. They seek to minorly inconvenience you by resetting your time and text speed.
Yeah. That's true. They're out to get me, and me specifically.
That's why Nintendo added all those glitches back then.
Me intentionally adding glitches in all my software as Easter eggs.
I've got this fun little glitch in my web browser. It's called arbitrary code execution.
Oh, are you using Arc?
That's a good call to current media. No, I'm not using Arc. I've never looked at Arc. I'm not gonna use it because I have no interest in it. But is that based on Firefox or Chromium?
Chromium.
Disappointing.
Chromium moment.
Yeah.
What's the actual appeal of Arc? Just the UI?
I think non-insignificant portion is the UI. Also, supposedly like better privacy.
Every
But I don't know
browser,
that much about it, honestly.
every browser claims to be more private than the others.
Yeah. Huh. The rare, that was a rare crash that actually hit the, like, proper reset vector. That wasn't a... Because glitch dimension happens when it does, like, a... I forget if it's, like, a jump to address 0000 or something like that. But, and the weird color palettes happen because it's actually booting... or the game is starting, it thinks it's in Game Boy mode, not playing on a Game Boy Color. So it like doesn't update the color palette stuff correctly most of the time. But that time it actually just did like a regular ass soft reset with things set up correctly. That was very, very rare and like pure random chance occurrence. Kind of interesting. Interesting. So the title was a lie.
You're gonna have to update the stream.
That's true. This is a good color palette. This is like something you'd see on the web in like 1999. Ooh, I love these glitch dimensions where they mess up the tiles.
Nice.
I actually do like
Not
these ones a
first
lot.
one.
It's very funny. Hold on, let me, one sec. I want to get, like a good frame rate on this so you can actually see it a little better here. Oh, the frame rate's still not that good. Oops. Here, maybe I can...
It's like 30% more frames. Oh, maybe
Yeah.
not. Never mind.
Not really. Not much.
I might be a little behind.
This might be slightly better frame pacing at least. Don't know. Not important. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I had code to force it to be in this mode. So it's actually not, working the way I want it to in this case. That doesn't matter. I'll just... I don't know. It does not. It straight up does not matter. But Here, let me set this to slightly higher quality for the bottom screen in the background.
I think you should set that to be the priority screen.
Yeah. You're so right. Let's go to the options. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's another one. Very cool.
Late epic.
I mean, it is kind of cool. Kind of neat. I don't know exactly what this effect is, or I don't remember the details of how it works and why it is the way it is. But it's kind of funny. Yeah, whatever, that time is fine. I'm so glad the background is an aquatic charge attack. Oh, good thing the background just fixed itself. Yippee.
Yeah. It's working. Everything is working. as intended.
That's funny. You get a good screenshot of that.
That is good.
Exactly how I remember the Pokemon franchise looking. Oh, I didn't realize that the text.
That's funny. Co. Yeah. This one's really real. This is just I mean, this is like more, this is kind of normal. It's not that normal, but I've seen that that specific variant of like soft lock several times with this, with HM07. So it's normal enough. Soft lock. Very cool. I don't know if I've shown Ethan the inventory corruption yet.
Not that I can remember.
Okay, 2 layers deep. Use HM07 one more time. We get a glitch text box. Once that finishes up, you wouldn't be able to tell because like all the text visually is corrupted, but the contents of my bag are corrupted. and have changed. And actually, you can get a bag, I think it's called Underflow this way. I think it's called like bag item underflow or whatever. Something. You're normally supposed to carry like not, well, I think it's like 30 items in your bag, but if you corrupt a certain value, you can have like up to 255. And of course that they overflow into other areas of memory. Good times. Nice. But other than the inventory corruption, the game crashes like basically, as far as I can tell, it crashes 100% of the time when you back out to the regular start menu from inside the bag. Like from this screen, you press B to go back out to the pause menu. Or start menu, pause menu, same thing. So that's why I'm using the bicycle now, is to try and get some of that memory corruption without corrupting the message box stack so badly and like completely irreparably that I can't actually play around and see the corruption effects. And it mostly seems to, I don't know the word I'm thinking of, like the effects seem to be mostly just map corruption, which is fine, but or to escape the bag menu after doing 3 HM07 corruptions, I would have to get like I would have to find a bicycle somewhere in my inventory, which is easier said than done. Of course. Mind you, it's not obviously guaranteed to be in the key items part of the bag. So was that it? I don't even know. Actually, with that, it might be, I'm not sure. I should test that sometime. But it might be like, oh, oh, there's an easy way I can do that. Hold on. Press B, and guaranteed glitch dimension. That's consistent at least. I forget what I was saying. Not that it matters. But good times.
Were they had by all, though?
Yeah.
Nice.
No.
Oh, this is like a like an ether or something. Strange. No message boxes available. No, that's not the message it's showing me. Or is it free? It's free, isn't it? It's not available. It's no MESSA, yeah. POPPING. Okay, it's no message box is free for popping. That's the message that That is the message box it's displaying right now. It's just the text is corrupted, so you have to count the number of characters and then
Yes.
your best guess. It's a very educated guess, but it is a guess.
I appreciate that it got localized.
Mm.
I know they just go through every single string in the game and localize everything, but it is always funny to see like developer assets get localized.
Yeah, I don't think that string is something that you ever like. I don't think it's possible to encounter that outside of weird corruption effects or wrong pocket HM07 or stuff like that.
Likely not. I mean, like, they probably had that there so they could find such instances in the wild and make it
Yeah.
not happen.
Yeah. Oh, I can't use the bicycle. Right. Actually, I just thought of an interesting idea. Why don't I try and use a fishing rod? Oh, I can't fish while I'm surfing. Oh, so this is like more niche probably than the bicycle. Because I have to be standing like here. Did Josh say something a minute ago?
No.
Okay. I think my game's soft locked. That's good.
Why would you even think that, Cameron?
I thought I heard someone's voice pop in
Kidding.
briefly and glitch out.
I think it was Ethan when he was.
Oh, I see. He's
definitely
muted
himself.
now.
He can't hear us either.
That's true. That was a crash with a sound effect. This is a cool title screen color scheme. Yeah, you can use the fishing rods also to escape from the bag and like bypass the start menu, because obviously returning to the start menu almost always, as far as I know, literally always crashes. But it's more niche, I think, because you're a lot more strictly limited in what you're able to do, I think, in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then also you get a wild battle immediately, and I don't know if that has any practical effects on anything regarding the corruption, but it could, possibly.
It may.
I can't escape from Poliwag, dude. I can't escape from... Poliwag is surprisingly fast, actually. And it doesn't help that Feraligatr is, like, kinda slow. Feraligatr can stay in. That's a nice, nice pattern.
World's most useful menu. I scrubbed back to look at it. Who's Black Hog Gaming? Four people watching.
I
Wow.
guess I would call him a friend. Mostly,
Nice.
or mainly a friend of a friend. We don't actually talk that much, but... we have a little.
Well, they're in your chat.
That's a friend of, other
It's
guy
just
named Josh. Who
it's sad that you don't talk to Polywag so much.
That's
Sure.
also a good point.
I assume this is about the Black Hog Gaming in chat.
Yes. Yo, what's up, Black Hog Gaming? Thanks for tuning into the stream. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe.
I mean, it's in subscribers only.
Game
mode.
crash moment. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I can't wait for someone to donate so we can say thanks for the bits. Do you have these
Twitch,
streamer
not
overlay?
YouTube.
I know.
I don't
Cameron, do you
have
this-
I don't have any streamer overlay, nor do I have
Oh.
any way for people to donate to me.
You gotta set up the
I
thing
made
where
a streamer overlay once and never used it.
you gotta do the thing where every time someone does something in chat or donates or sends a TTS, it pops something up on the screen and reads it out to you and
Yeah. And it's really, I gotta make it as loud as possible.
yeah.
It just plays a TikTok clip every time.
One
It
of the
plays a
longer
Family
things
Guy
to-
funny moment every time someone donates. Every time I get a new subscriber.
You should play a complete episode of The Simpsons. We're picking at random.
For every comment.
For every
But
comment.
it should be heavily skewed towards steamed hams.
Pseudo-random, so to speak.
Pseudo random in that 99.9% of the time it's steamed hams, and the other remainder is the entire rest of the catalog of Simpsons episodes. Oh, and you gotta have your chat up on the side so you can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a white screen glitch dimension. Very cool. Very cool. Remember when I said... I don't think Ethan was here for that, but Josh, remember when I said sometimes this process is excruciatingly boring?
I'm not quite sure I remember that. You might have to say it again.
Oh, well, sometimes glitch hunting via purely empirical testing is excruciatingly boring. I've been here for 2 hours, by the way. Or
The time just flies.
1 hour 59. It does. I mean, I would know that time always flies for me, but... I love it when my character just turns into I don't know, just pieces and they just scatter and the game crashes. I love it when he just explodes. Yeah.
You should have members only emojis for the chat.
Oh my god. Nice.
Sick.
Yeah, you're right, I should. Oh, time not set. Okay, that was the would you like to crash, yes or yes? That's one productive thing that's come of doing this here is that, say, I'm not very creative, I'm not good at, like, coming up with names for things, which gets to be a problem in writing code, but anyway. So now I have, you know, proper names for, like, some of the different types of common effects that happen, but yeah, gaming.
Like the crash prompt. I think you should add that to Chiruno mod.
Yeah.
Like you push a button combination, it'll like prompt you to crash the 3DS with like a data abort exception.
Let's go.
Would you like to crash?
What is it? ARM11 data abort was the most common one.
Yeah,
Nice.
generally.
Nice.
This isn't bad, by the way. I have backups of my save data, of course.
Oh, dude, this is ruined. It's over. You're gonna have to throw away the 3DS.
My 3DS is not is not playing audio anymore right now. I might be about to crash in a weird way. Not sure. Chiruno mod is causing the 3DS to misbehave.
You're gonna find exciting new failure modes for the Horizon kernel.
That's true. I think I might have. I think the 3DS is soft locked at this point. Yeah, I have to hard reset. Very sad. Exciting new fail conditions. Yeah. That's what I get every time I test Chiruno mod or Choki stream. You know, yeah, you know, like I'm born like I'm a natural born reverse engineer and like debug tester. I'm very good at finding ways to break things intentionally or not. I'll turn down the audio while I get set up again. Oh, I hope this connected to the right Wi-Fi network. Okay, we're good. My IP address probably shouldn't have changed. Okay. And we're back in business. There's checkpoint. We gotta wait for the cartridge to show up, but yeah.
Yeah.
That's today, basically. So, restore save. Hooray. Okay. We're back in business, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah. What's something interesting I could do? I don't know. I mean, there's not a whole lot of cool stuff I could do besides just more of the usual. Here, let's play with this guy. Whoops. Yeah. Oh, I have to load an actual sprite in. Oh, no, it just doesn't change the sprite at all. I forgot, I guess.
E for gore.
Reset. Let me think. I might be able to, if I can... Oh, was it... It might have just been this position. I might be able to, now that I have more knowledge, yeah, I can recreate what I... Or... Oh, maybe not. Or maybe I have to try again. Or maybe my position was wrong, I don't remember. Recreate what I saw the other day. When I was seeing what effects I could get from this. There we go. Yeah, baby, map corruption.
Ooh, yeah.
Real.
Real.
And at times this might seem like it's just a visual effect, but I promise you, I promise you, it's very, very real. Let me just reset. I'm not patient. Let me see if I can get over here. Maybe. I'd like not to get encountered. You know, I have repels in my bag. I should just use one of those. Whatever. Oh, that's right, because of, because this connects with, what route does this? Oh, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but if I remember correctly, actually, this, yeah, this is the Azalea Town map. So I'm currently, out of bounds in the Azalea Town map. But on its own, that's not that interesting. I might as well just reset. But yeah, map corruption is slightly interesting. I forget. I was gonna say, did Ethan come back? Yes.
I did.
Hi, Ethan. And yeah, that's consistent. Oh, use repel. Uh, yeah, interesting. See, like, if I, like, made this into, like, an edited video of, like, highlights, that could be interesting. This is, very boring, as I've said several times. Or it's kind of, it's not that boring, but it is boring. And this is why I could never be a shiny hunter. Just one more encounter, bro. That's weird. Why does the tile above crash, but that one doesn't? No reason. It's no reason. It's always no reason. Here, I'll try more rod escapes, because those are kind of funny. Not very, but maybe a tiny bit.
Raw, you say?
Yeah. And I can't press any buttons. Very sad. Mitchell's rod mentioned. One, two. Was it the top item? Maybe. I think so. Oh, I think I got the message anyway. The, what was it? No message boxes free for popping. Oh yeah, so, by the way, I guess I should explain, so when I press A here, so, like, the way that this works in corrupting the message box stack, the message box engine stack, is, like, when I press A here, like, the reason it has this glitch text box and the massive corruption stuff is complications because the, like, number of message boxes underflows, I think, from 0 to 255. Maybe? Or maybe that's... I don't know if I ever confirmed that for certain. I actually don't remember. Nice. But very cool. Very good. This game is programmed very good. Oh, bro, a shiny Magikarp.
Yo.
They have it.
Why am I getting a USB error when I haven't plugged anything into the computer in like an hour? Can you hear my clicking, by the way?
No.
Am I still there?
We can
Yes.
still hear you.
My audio... maybe that's why I got USB error. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
Weird. Oh yeah, so can you hear my clicking?
No.
That annoying? Okay, cool.
Alright, I'm tired of Pokemon Silver.
It's time for Pokemon Gold.
I will actually showcase some stuff, I think, in Pokemon Yellow. But not... Or it might be... I might just be doing more, also boring stuff. Did I get a female symbol on this file? I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember. Well, I should check how many badges I have. Oh, I wasn't reading. Nope, that's just missing now. Okay, that's like a fresh file that I started at one point. I remember. I kind of remember.
You kind of remember.
I don't remember if I was trying to do anything specific.
They should make unknowns, but for all the kanji.
Yeah.
So true.
Well, I don't care enough to switch to a different Pokemon Yellow save file, so I won't. Yeah. I'm probably done streaming gameplay. And by probably, I mean definitely. Good bye-bye stream.